Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do division sums. Division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that helps us split a total quantity into equal groups. It's essentially the opposite of multiplication, allowing us to find out how many times one number is contained within another. Understanding division is crucial for many everyday tasks and more complex math problems. When performing simple division, you start by identifying the total amount you're dividing, called the dividend, and the number of groups you're dividing it into, known as the divisor. Then, you figure out how many times the divisor fits evenly into the dividend. The answer you get from this process is called the quotient. For larger numbers, we use a method called long division. This systematic approach breaks down complex problems into manageable steps. You'll repeatedly divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down the next digit. This process continues until you've worked through all the digits of the dividend, helping you find the exact quotient. Sometimes, when you divide, one number doesn't fit perfectly into another, leaving an amount left over. This leftover amount is called the remainder. The remainder will always be smaller than the divisor. You can express remainders as a whole number or convert them into a fraction or a decimal for more precise answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.